Hey beauties, I'm going to show you a small tutorial. So we have to start from CTM, cleansing, toning and moisturizing. Then we have to apply a concealer on your eyelids to create a smooth base for eyeshadow and to cover any discoloration. Then lock with a compact. Take a brown neutral eyeshadow, apply it all over your eyelids, blend it into the crease for a natural look. Take a black kajal to give a smudgy effect. Here's the moisturizer that keeps your skin hydrated. Apply a primer to create a smooth canvas for your foundation. Take a darker concealer for your dark circles and pigmentation. Blend it gently using your fingertips. Use a foundation that matches to your skin tone. Blend it with the beauty blender evenly for a flawless base. Take a light concealer and liquid blush, blending it slightly upwards towards your temple. Set your foundation with a compact powder that matches to your skin tone. This will help to control, shine and set your makeup. Apply a translucent powder under your eyes and on areas prone to fine lines. Take a very small brush for under eye blending, then apply a mascara. Fill your eyebrows, shape them accordingly to your preference. Put a matte contour shade to the hollows of your cheeks along the jawline that gives the dimension to your face. Here's the time for blush. On the apple of your cheeks, blend it well. Take a lipstick and give a perfect shape to your lip. Finish off with the makeup fixer and the highlighter that gives the shine.